Probably should have opened a window in here. I might suffocate. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and I make lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today, I want to talk about the Green Flash nail kit. If you are anything like me, during the pandemic, you became your own nail tech, your own hairstylist, all of the above. You were doing it all yourself. I have a kit. I have a kit full of everything you can think of when it relates to nails. What I am not good at is taking the polish off. I've tried everything. I've tried the little clips that you put the cotton round in. I've tried the foil with the cotton rounds. I've tried where you scrape it afterwards. I have been destroying my nails for the last year. I was scrolling on Instagram, as we do, and I came across the Green Flash nail kit by Manicurist. It claimed to be the same consistency as regular polish, come off like regular polish, but cure and last like gel polish. These all sound great. I did go ahead and order the travel kit. It came in a recyclable cardboard box, obviously, and even the packing peanuts were the water dissolvable kind. It came with its own lamp. It came with their own nail polish remover, which says that it's 97% biosourced. It came with the 3-step polish system, so the base coat, the polish, and you get to pick your own color when you're choosing the polish, obviously, and a top coat. I got red. That's just who I am as a girl. Full disclosure, I did have to do a redo of the polish because the first time I didn't even read the instructions. I just started painting and I did not cure the layers as long as I was supposed to. But I have not tried either remover yet. I kind of just picked that one off, and when you think about the irony of that, actually, I kind of just picked that one off. And I've had it on for about a week. There's no noticeable signs of wear. I do have this one that is chipped just on the corner there, and I honestly think that I just did that today. But I've washed dishes, I've washed my hair, I have typed all day long for about a week. The final test for me is, does it come off? Does it come off using my regular Target brand nail polish remover, or do I have to buy theirs? And I feel like that's a valid question. Let's say I run out and I forget to order a replacement. If this is all I have, can I get the polish off without damaging my nails? I'm really intrigued. Okay, I'm going to try taking the polish off real time on camera. It says soak the cotton pad with Green Flash remover, leave it on the nails for a few minutes. Nail polish remover, 323. Putting it on there right now. Letting it sit for a second. All right, it's 324. It's been about a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Well, I mean, it made me really ashy, but oh wow. I mean, it's a mess, but it works. And I guess that's the point here. My nail is so like dry. This Target Up and Up. Okay, so it's 326. Oh my gosh. Again, very ashy. Wow. My poor skin. All right, now I'm gonna try just swiping instead of holding it on there. I'm not gonna cut through any of this. I'm just gonna do it straight up. Green Flash. Red nail, swipe. Oh my God, it's so strong. Okay, not really. I mean, it got that top layer off if you really scrub it, but much better results when you hold it for about a minute. Honestly, 30, 45 seconds. Yeah, that was like 15 seconds. You don't need to hold it for a few minutes, in my opinion. I'm gonna try this finger, and I'm gonna use the 100% acetone one from Target to just do a clean swipe. Nah. So overall, I would say you don't necessarily need their lamp. If you have an 18-watt lamp already, as long as you follow the curing instructions, you should be fine. As far as the polishes go, yes, there's no way around that. This system does not work without the polish system. As far as the removers go, this retails $14 on its own. So if that is something that you choose to buy every single time, it's totally up to you. Based on what I've just done here, you don't necessarily need to buy it. This one is by far, it's by a long shot, it's way more environmentally friendly and safe than your drugstore brand, but they do the same thing. Take with that what you will. I'm gonna take the rest of this polish off and put some cuticle oil on and put some moisturizer on because they are very dry after all of that acetone. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week where I'll be talking about my curly hair favorites. Bye.